how a mini AC unit is going to make me $75K. We're here in Garfield Heights at this duplex, fully damaged from fire. This entire two-family home caught ablaze, and we had to get in and take on our biggest project yet. We're gonna take a look, and I'm gonna show you how we found value where most wouldn't. With this almost year-long project, we found an opportunity to make a turnkey duplex and almost double our investment. Let's take a look inside. Fire damage is obviously one of the worst things you can see in a house. Evident here, everything's had to get demoed. We try to find value in every opportunity that we can see, and a lot of it's past some of the superficial stuff like the drywall and charred trim work and woodwork that's burnt. We saw a house that had a great foundation, good bones, good infrastructure, and an opportunity to recreate this once fantastic duplex. So we had an opportunity here where there were some big ticket items that we had to upgrade. How we find value. We already have walls open. We're already having to do electrical. So at that point, let's just take it the whole 9 yards. Let's replace all the plumbing as well. When it's all said and done, we want this property to be 100% turnkey. That's how we find value. There are multifamilies selling in this market between $120,000 and $150,000 with 75 to 100-year-old components. I'm gonna be closer to $200K on this because everything will be completely brand new. It's new construction without having to rebuild the foundation. In addition to that, I can take higher end finishes and incorporate them into my rehab where I typically otherwise wouldn't be able to because of cost purposes. I already have drywall down. Why not install some can lighting? I already have the chimney exposed. Let's clean it up. Let's make this a little bit more of an updated modern unit as opposed to what you see as a typical rental. That's going to appeal to any buyer, which is going to lead to a higher return on my investment. Purchase price of $30,000, and guys, this is a 7 to 10 day close, so I had little to no due diligence. But with a $30,000 purchase price at potentially 180 to 200K ARV, there's a lot of meat on the bones here. But obviously, as you can see, I just have to dive in a little bit deeper on the rehab. You're probably wondering, what room are we in? Well, we're in the kitchen. It looks a lot different with everything demoed. After this is all said and done with new cabinets, new granite countertops, new appliances, we're gonna be in good shape. So I'm glad you got to see this crazy construction site with this fire damaged duplex. We're probably looking at another 3 months out, but stay tuned and follow us to see the final transformation and our final profits.